Once upon a time, there was a young man named Hiro who was struggling to earn the respect of others. He was intelligent and kind, but he was also lazy, easily distracted, and negative. He would procrastinate on his work, gossip about others, and talk himself out of trying new things. One day, Hiro went to see a Zen master for help. The master listened patiently to Hiro's story, and then he said, "Respect is earned, young man. To gain the respect of others, you must first learn to respect yourself. And to do that, you must leave behind the habits that hold you back." The master then told Hiro about 6 bad habits that he needed to leave behind. Procrastination: by delaying your tasks, you deny yourself the opportunity to grow and achieve greatness. Embrace discipline and tackle your responsibilities head-on. Gossiping: when you gossip about others, you are spreading negativity and sowing discord. Be kind and speak only good of others. Negative self-talk: the way you talk to yourself matters. When you constantly put yourself down, you are programming your mind for failure. Be your own best friend and speak to yourself with love and encouragement. Fear of failure: everyone fails at some point in their lives. It's how you respond to failure that matters. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back from trying new things and taking risks. Complaining: when you complain, you are focusing on the negative and giving away your power. Instead, focus on the positive and be grateful for what you have. Toxic relationships: the people you surround yourself with have a big impact on your life. If you are surrounded by negative people, it will be difficult to create a positive life for yourself. Choose your relationships wisely and surround yourself with people who lift you up. Hiro took the master's words to heart. He started working on leaving behind his bad habits and replacing them with good ones. It wasn't easy, but he was committed to change. Slowly but surely, Hiro began to see a difference in himself. He was more productive, more positive, and more confident. He also started to notice that others were treating him with more respect. One day, Hiro was walking down the street when he saw a group of people gathered around a man who was giving a speech. The man was talking about the importance of self-respect and how it leads to earning the respect of others. Hiro listened intently, and he realized that the man was talking about the same things that the Zen master had told him. After the speech, Hiro went up to the man and introduced himself. He told the man about his journey and how he had learned to leave behind his bad habits and earn the respect of others. The man was impressed by Hiro's story, and he encouraged him to continue on his path of self-improvement. Hiro is still on his journey, but he is making progress every day. He knows that he will never be perfect, but he is committed to becoming the best version of himself. He is grateful for the lessons he has learned, and he is excited to see what the future holds. The moral of the story is that everyone deserves respect, but you must first learn to respect yourself. To do that, you need to leave behind the bad habits that hold you back and replace them with good ones. It won't be easy, but it is possible. And once you do, you will find that others will start to respect you too.